What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. This is video number 2. For those of you guys who don't know what's going on, I'm going to be displaying all of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 cases that I have and the ones that I recommend. I'm going to be showing about 7 of these, okay? So it's going to be one coming out every day this week coming. So this is number 2. This is the all black Ringke case. So if you're going to appreciate this series and you kind of want to know what cases to maybe get, the price range, so on and so forth, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button. That definitely lets me know that you guys want me to continue these videos and that this information is helpful. And if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button. New or returning, hit that like button. So without any further ado, Spidey's my official timekeeper. We're going to keep these videos at about 5 or 6 minutes each because we're not trying to waste you guys' time. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is the black Ringke case. This goes for about $23.99 on Amazon.com. Right now I have the MKBHD D brand skin on the back, which I love. Definitely helps when I wear that clear case. You guys will see that later. So this case is fairly thin. There's no hinge protection. You can see this gloss material inside. There's a cutout for all your buttons, the up and down rocker and the power and fingerprint sensor. And it's matte black on the back. And there's a tiny camera bump right here. So when you put it on the table, it won't sit flush. There will be a little rockage, but it won't be that much rockage. And there is a little adhesive. Is it in this one? No adhesive in this one, but there is a little sticky adhesive right here, and I added my own to this part to make sure it actually sticks and stays. But this is it's still flimsy, but it's a little more sturdy than most. So we're gonna put this on and see what it looks like. You also have your cutouts for your speakers, microphone, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna answer some questions for you guys that most people might want to know. So it snaps on pretty simple. You snap it from the bottom to the tizzy to the top, and this is how it looks. It's gonna add a tiny bit of bulkage, a little thicker than the Aramid case, but it's still pretty slim for the most part. Okay, you have your Ringke branding right here, a little loop for you to put a little tassel if you want to hang it from something. That's completely up to you. Like I said, you have your camera cutout, no protection for the hinge. And main thing is, can you get to your buttons? Yes, you can get to your power button, your fingerprint sensor, no problem. This is not blocking it. As you can see, it's cut out pretty well, and then also have a slight indentation on this part to make sure you can get to those buttons. Okay, so another thing to know is that when you're swiping, can you swipe? Because are these borders going to be in the way? That's what we want to know. But they're not going to be in the way. You can get to everything just fine. No issues. And another thing that most people want to know is this right here, the charging port. Can you access the charging port? Can you put most chargers in here, or will the actual case block those chargers from connecting? No, it will not. You will have no issues hooking up a charger to this. This is a pretty decent and pretty sizable cutout for the charging station, so you won't have any issues in that regard. But it keeps the phone pretty slim, looks nice in your pocket. It's all black. Like I said, it's matte on here, so it looks good to me. You guys let me know what you think. But I'm going to keep these videos short and sweet, get you guys from point A to point B as quick as possible. Not trying to waste you guys time, but if any of this information is going to be helpful to you guys and you want to watch the other videos in this series, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date and know when that video is dropping. There's one going to be dropping every day. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. We're about to do the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Look at it. Look. That boy look angry. Let's get it.